Hi! In front of me is Thomson Tablet 13P, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, tap on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit, and click on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way, you'll turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!